Geanina is a Romanian photographer that call out stylists and fashion designers to help her style this corset. So Hannah and everyone else, let me give you some examples. She also said that she wants something retro, and considering her style is usually romantic, here are some examples. Let's start with the bottoms and have trousers, long trousers. But you need to understand that even if you have trousers, those need to have something special because the corset itself is special. So it needs to create a balance, not just to be very blunt, because it will not work. And trousers like these that have details from the knee below are perfect because they contrast very well with the corset that is above. Or you can have something that is sheer. And also try to layer it. Try to have under a sheer blouse because it will work very well, especially when the accent is on the shoulders and on the sleeves. You can also have something like this that are just sleeves. You can also layer a dress under, but the dress either to be oversized or to have accent as the sleeves like this one. Or this one with the accent being on the shoulders. And yes, all the items that I've already shown are all black because the corset is mainly black, but you can color coordinate it with other colors, like any color that the corset has because of its crystals. So let's take red for example. Imagine this look but with a black corset and black shoes and obviously a black or a red purse. It will work very well. Also, having a maxi dress that is colorful like this purple one with the corset over it will look amazing. And color coordinate it better than this one, please. Or for example, something yellow, but it's an overall and you can have the corset over and the sheer black blouse under and with some gold accessories. It will look amazing, especially when you have yellow. Try to coordinate it with gold in terms of accessories and makeup. It will look better. Or if you want to have a more edgy look, try something like this. Instead of the blouse, you have the corset with the boots on and even with some fishnets under to see through the trousers. It will look awesome. Let me know in the comments how would you style this corset and how would you like to wear it. And also don't forget to follow for more fashion related content.